The origin of this trial actually came about because we were looking at a study from the 1970s where they fed different sizes of growing cattle to maintain their body size as opposed to just grow. And when they did that, they found that the sizes of some of the internal organs, particularly the liver and gastrointestinal tract, decreased over time. So the maintenance requirement of the animal went down, and they were able to feed the animal less and still keep them that same size over a long time. And our proposal is to take advantage of that biology as animals enter the feedlot, to feed them to maintain their weight initially for a short time, the amount of time depending on what the prices of feed are and what the value of the carcass will be at the end of that period. And what you do is progressively limit feed. So what this means is decreasing their feed intake a little bit each day by a constant percentage. And it could go on average, say, for a 2-week period is what we found if you looked at the median of our prices. And what would be expected to happen over this time was exactly that during progressive limit feeding, the sizes of those organs would decrease, their maintenance requirement would decrease, and once they were put back on ad libitum feeding, at the end of that time, then they would resume growth and be able to do so more efficiently by taking advantage of what we call compensatory growth, where their energy intake is what an ad libitum animal would have been, but their maintenance requirement is lower, at least initially. We're not quite sure how long that effect lasts, but in any case, it would be profitable to take advantage of it if possible. So there's further research needed and planned actually to confirm some of the numbers involved, but the principles and the biology seems pretty airtight, at least to a colleague and myself, and obviously other animal scientists.